how to join the Temu affiliate program. Temu is a growing online marketplace offering a wide variety of products at competitive prices. Their affiliate program allows you to earn commission by promoting their product to your audience. How you join this program? It's pretty simple. Just go ahead and search for Temu affiliate program where you'll be redirected to this particular website. At the very top, you should see a big button which will say Join the program. By just tapping on the Join the program icon, you'll be able to sign in for your affiliate marketing. There will be some application forms that needs to be filled out. Ensure that you fill out the form correctly and add the details about your website, social media presence, or marketing strategies. This will enhance the approval process. Yes, Temu will review your application to ensure that your marketing method aligns with the brand. This might take some time, so be very patient. If your application is successful, you'll be granted access to your affiliate dashboard. Here you will find your unique affiliate links and codes. These are the magic ingredient for earning commissions. Now comes the fun part. Promote your Temu product using your affiliate link and codes. You will get yourself a unique affiliate link or code that can be applied as a referral. You can integrate them into your website content, social media post, or even video description. When someone clicks your affiliate link and makes a purchase on Temu, you earn a commission on that sale. The commission rate can be up to 20% of the sale value. On top of commission, you also get a $5 bonus for each new user who signs up with Temu using your code. New users who sign up with their code also get a discount on the first Temu order. We are talking about some easy money right here. So make sure to sign up for your Temu affiliate program, and that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button to us.